Hello, in this video I would like to show you how you can use Financial Calculator ++ to calculate mortgage payments. Also, I would like to show you how to do amortization schedule with this calculator. This is Financial Calculator ++. It's available on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. I put the link to all of these platforms in the description, which is below this video. I have created another video, which I will also put the link to it in the description, which goes into more details of how to calculate mortgages with this calculator. So this video is primarily to go through the amortization schedule, but before that I have to calculate the mortgage first. So let's say you're getting a mortgage with the value of $849,000. So I press that and then set PV as a present value. The interest rate is 6.875. I set to I over Y, which is interest over year. The number of payments per year is 12, so I set that to P over Y, and then C over Y is automatically set to 12. I press 30 for 30-year mortgage. I press the button below N, which basically multiplies that by 12, which is the number of payments, and then I press N to set the number of total payments, which is 360. So as you can see, I have all the numbers set up correctly. So I do CPT and then payment. That gives me $5,577.33, which is the monthly payment. So this monthly payment, of course, is constant over the period of the loan, which is 360 payments. But as you know, this is basically consists of principal and interest that you pay. Initially, you pay more interest, and eventually you pay more of your principal. So if I want to see how much of the payments goes into principal and how much into interest for the first year, I can set P1 as 1, which is already automatically set to that. So I press P2 or set P2 to be 12. And then I look at, I press the button next to P2, which right now it says balance. So when I press that, it gives me the balance, and that means the balance after paying the first 12 payments. And then if I press it one more time, that gives me the principal, which means during the first 12 months, I paid this much, which is $8,834.13 in principal. And then if I press that button one more time, interest, that shows how much interest I paid during the first 12 months. So if I want to go ahead and calculate the similar numbers for subsequent years, I can basically just keep pressing CPT and then P1. I just did that once. As you can see, P1 now is set as 13 and P2 is set at 24. So what that means is that I am looking at the second year's payment. So if I press balance, it shows that at the end of second year, that's the balance of the mortgage. Principal, that means this is how much I paid in the second year for the principal. And then when I press that button one more time, this shows how much interest I paid during the second year as interest. So if I press the button, the long button that says time value of money, it takes me to this table format, which I have the numbers that we entered together. But if I go to this bottom section, which is for amortization, you see that P1 is set as 13 and P2 is set as 24. And I see the balance, principal, and interest as I showed you before. But in this mode, if I keep pressing the first row, which says beginning period, so it updates the beginning period by just tapping on it. And in fact, it also updates the balance, principal, and interest. So you can keep pressing it, and it shows the values of balance, principal, and interest as you go through the months of your mortgage. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please write in the comments. Goodbye.